The solution is, we have now here a transfer variant, which has a to and an amount with an account ID and balance. Then inside our dispatch function, we match the call, we match it with the transfer call and forward it with the correct arguments to our transfer function. One question you might be asking yourself is, why do we use here a struct style variant instead of a tuple style? Which would be easier. We would need to specify here to an amount. The reason is because it's clearer and safer and more scalable. Named fields make it immediately obvious what each value means, reducing confusion, especially when dealing with similar types. It's also easier to extend. Adding new fields later doesn't break existing code since callers can pass values by name. This aligns with Rust best practices, where structs variants are favored for clarity and maintainability, even with a single field. Struct style can make sense if the type isn't self-explanatory. Lastly, a few design notes. We had this old model here, and now we extended the pallets logic, more specifically only the balances logic, with the dispatch handler, so with the dispatch function. And if we take a look now in our new model, we can see that we expose now this dispatch function, which expects a caller and a pallet call, and we put it out there. And this is what we're gonna do next. We want to call from the dispatch at the runtime level into the pallet. One last design note. The dispatch trait implementation on the runtime routes calls cleanly to the pallets, making the runtime itself agnostic of the pallet internals. Let's move on.